I guess one final thing before I start the tank. When you're running the power inverter in a 15-watt amp, it does need a good battery. You need at least a 5500 milliamp battery. I'm using a nickel hydride here, but actually LiPo batteries are even better because they deliver the current. And if I was going to be battling, I would be using a LiPo in this tank just because of the 15-watt amp and how much power it draws when it's boosted up to 12 volts. So I will say that. You need to know that. So I will fire this thing up. Basically, what you do is with the bark unit you can adjust the super spin and the momentum. So up on this stick, TBU lights up, that tells you the momentum is on. Over to the right tells you the super spin is off. Up on the throttle channel engages the electronics. That flashing LED, green LED by the TBU, just lets you know that you are now connected, your radio is connected to the onboard electronics, and it's ready to start. To start this tank, it's just down on the left stick. Starts up. With the tank idling there, it's sitting at about 75 decibels. With no sound in the room, it was about 30 decibels. Rev the engine. And then just full throttle. So it's pushing about 80 decibels there. I'll fire the cannon. The cannon peaked out at 92 decibels. So yeah, it's running about 20 more than the engine running. I just want to show you how smooth the engine transitions are with the TBS. There's really no sound steps, or you can't really hear it changing from idle to revving. It's just a nice natural sounding engine. Off and on is the same, it's just down on the left hand stick. It shuts the engine off, and you can still fire the cannon. So that's it, guys. I hope you like the Challenger sound set.